Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden.
Hello guys, this is our
Day 5.
day 5.
Mga bread.
Day 5 and we are here at Lake Windermere Lakeside Ever. Basta Lakeside. And it's raining. It's really It's raining cats and dogs. It's charm. It's raining cats and dogs. Naghahanap ng food. And it's di pa lang makita. So, ayan. I know.
Gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden thing.
Ano yung phone mo? Foggy.
Hindi naman ah.
Ay, wala.
Sa ano ata yun? Pero hindi ka ma-focus, Beshi.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Sanay na ako.
Ulit nga.
Pausok.
Diba? Hot ako dito, kaya may pauso.
Pausok.
Oh my
Tinapa.
God! Oh! Hi!
My son, feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden.
We are here at Lakeside.
Gold string,
Having a cruise later. Up a lake.
golden, golden. I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden.
We are shopping for postcards.
Ring, rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing.
Dinosaur yard. Dragon yard.
Magtatawanan tayo.
Golden things, gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves,
Beshi mo ka palang pare.
Ayan, walking on rainy day.
On the ring. In the ring.
It's raining
At
cats
the
and dogs. Anong meaning nun, Beshi?
Ano?
Beshi, parang na tayo sa US. O, di ba? Ay, klabo.
Sa Baguio na po kami.
Baguio. Sinisipo na po kami. Tulong.
Day trip pa lang ba ang actual trip?
Yeah, but it's our day 50. 50?
Day 5. Oh my God, 6 days na lang. Tama ba? 6 days na lang?
Yala.
Oo, 6 days na lang. Kasi Saturday tayo aalis sa group. Sunday tayo dito na sa group. Oh.
Sun, feet step over splinters of the moon.
Picture kita, Beshi.
Okay.
Wait. Phone mo? So cold. Ah, sige. Oh my gosh. Video? Ano? Ano na? Ang layo naman.
Appalachian
We are here at Snowland. Snowland. Hindi ko alam.
Snowland.
coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden things. Mountain Laurel high fives for miles in spring.
I will shoot you with.
Rain, trout, hummingbird.
No, I mean,
Golden,
not like this time.
Are you gonna use your drone?
golden,
It's a bit wet.
golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I follow golden.
Hello guys, we're here at Better Green for toilet. I'm not sure, but ito yung ano nila sign. So this is the signage. Signage.
Walk up the river by my sun. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I follow only golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden, golden things, golden. I follow only golden, golden things.